Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn how to add this type of fraction where different denominator is given. If you do it by multiplying 31 to 7 and adding 1, again multiplying 62 to 8, adding 3, then it will take much time. So in competitive exams we don't have that much time. So today I am going to share some tricky method to solve this type of question. So let's start. So the method is, first we have to add simplest form, that is 62 and 31. So the adding method is 2 1 3, 6 plus 3 equal to 9, 93. So write 93 plus, how to add 1 by 7 and 3 by 8. So the method of adding 1 by 7, 3 by 8 is easy, that we have learned in class 6 or 7. So take LCM of 8 and 7 is 56, as you know. Now divide 56 divided by 7 equal to 8, plus 8 divided by 56 equal to 7, and 7 multiply by 3 equal to 21. So 93 plus 8 plus 21, 29 by 56. You can write it as 93 and 29 by 56. So I hope you understand this. Let's do it one more time. So first we have to add simplest form, that is 62 and 31. 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 6 plus 3 equal to 9, 93 plus. Now we have to add 1 by 7 and 3 by 8. So take LCM of 8 and 7 is 56, and 56 divided by 7 equal to 8, plus 8 divided by 56 equal to 7, 7 into 3 21. So 93 plus 29 by 56 equal to, you can write it as 93 and 29 by 56. Let's come to next question. So add simplest form. So add simplest form, this are simplest form. So add it. 4 plus 5 equal to 9, 9 plus 3 equal to 12, 12 to carry 1, 4 4 8, 8 3 11, 11 and 1 12, 122 plus. Now we have to add fraction form, that is 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 8. So LCM of 2 4 8 is 8, as you know. Now 8 divided by 2 equal to 4, plus 4 divided by 8 divided by 4 equal to 2, 2 into 3 6, plus 8 divided by 8 equal to 1 equal to 5. So you can write it as 122 plus 5 6 11 4 15 by 8. As you know, 15 is greater than 8, so we can write it as 122 plus 1 and 7 by 8, 1 and 7 by 8. So final answer is 123 and 7 by 8. Let's come to next question. Add simplest form. 2 1 3, 5 plus 5 equal to 10, 0 carry 1, 4 2 6, 1 7, 7 and 3 plus. Now take LCM of 13 and 17. Then as you know, LCM of 13 and 17 is 221. So 221 divided by 13 equal to 17, plus 221 divided by 17 equal to 13. Now 13 into 2 equal to 26. So 7 and 3 plus 17 and 26. 7 6 13 3 carry 1, 2 1 3 1 4, 43 by 221. This is your final answer. Let's come to next question. Add simplest form. 3 to 5 5 1 6, 3 to 5 5 1 6, 66 plus. Take LCM of 11 22 and 33 is 66. 66 divided by 11, 6, plus 66 divided by 22 equal to 3, plus 66 divided by 33 equal to 2. 2 into 4, 8. So final answer is 66 and plus 63998 17 by 66. You can write it as 66 and 17 by 66. Let's come to next question. At simplest form, 2 plus 1 3 3 1 4. 2 plus 1 3 3 7 10 0 carry 1. 3 1 4 4 1 5 5 1 6 plus LCM. Now we have to solve fraction form, that is 5 by 9, 4 by 5, 4 by 15. Take LCM. LCM of 9, 5, 15 is 45. 45 divided by 9, 5. 5 into 5, 25 plus 45 divided by 5, 9. 9 into 4, 36 plus 45 divided by 15, 3. 3 into 4, 12. Now 604 plus 6 to 8, 8 5 13, 3 carry 1, 3 1 4 4 to 5 5 1, sorry 3 1 4 4 to 6 6 1 7, 73 by 45. So as you know, 73 is greater than 45, so we can write it as 604 plus 1 and 28 by 45. 1 and 28 by 45, as you can see here. So final answer is 605 and 28 by 45. Come to next question. At simplest form, 2 to 4 4 1 5. 1 0 1 1 1 2. 5 4 9 9 3 12 plus solve fraction form. So take LCM of 3 5 6 is 30, as you know. So 30 divided by 3 10 plus 5 30 divided by 5 6 6 into 2 12 plus 6 30 divided by 6 5 5 into 5 25. So 1 2 2 5, and here we have to edit 5 to 7 7 2 1 3 3 1 4 47 5 30. 225 and 47 by 30. As you see here, 47 is greater than 30, so we can write it as 1 2 2 5 plus 1 and 17 by 30. So 1 2 2 6 and 17 by 30 is your final answer. So come to next question. At simplest form, 4 5 9 9 3 12 2 carry 1, 4 4 8 8 3 11 11 2 1 12 122 plus take LCM. LCM of 2 6 and 8 is 24, as you know. 24 divided by 2 12 plus 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 into 5 20 plus 24 divided by 8, that is 3. 3 into 5 15. So add it. 5 to 1 22 and 5 to 7 2 1 3 3 1 4 47 by 24. As you can see here, 47 is greater by 24, so we can write it as 122 and plus and 1 and 13 by 24. So we can write it as 123 and 13 by 24. That is our final answer, and this one is for you guys. Try to solve it. You can easily solve it by this method. So I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really enjoy this video, then like this video and subscribe our channel to get further tricky videos. So I will meet you guys in next video with some more tricks which can help you in competitive exams. Thank you.